Looks like India is in full-fledged to conduct missile tests to make sure the country is in full preparedness with the tensed neighbors like Pakistan and China. The reason why I'm talking missile tests are due to the recent test fire which was conducted by India. Yes, one of the indigenous anti-tank guided missile called Dhruvastra was successfully test fired during this month. The flight trials were conducted on 15th and 16th July 2020 at ITR Balasore in Odisha. This video will give you more in-depth details both about the missile and the test which was performed. So let's begin with the missile details first. The Helena, which is an air-launched version of Nag missile, it's a fire and forget class anti-tank guided missile system. This missile is launched from twin tube stub, which is wing mounted launches on the Rudra and light combat helicopters. We know these choppers are manufactured by the Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. This missile system has all-weather day and night capability, and it can defeat battle tanks with conventional and explosive reactive armors. The Helena missile can engage targets both in direct hit mode as well as top attack mode. A variant of Helena weapon system, which is called Dhruvastra, is being inducted into the Indian Air Force. The Helena can be fired in two modes, which is direct and top attack mode. Indian Armed Forces successfully test fired this particular test without using the helicopter. This Dhruvastra missile is structurally different from the Nag and is guided by an infrared imaging seeker, and it operates in a lock-on before launch mode for target engagements. The first ground launch of this particular missile to check the lock-on after launch capability were conducted in 2011, during which the missile was locked onto a target and it was launched. While the missile was in flight, a second target was chosen for the missile to hit, which the missile destroyed successfully. So this demonstrates the capability of the missile to lock onto and hit the target while in mid-flight. To give more characteristics of this particular missile, the Helena missile has a length of 1.9 meters, a weight of 43 kilograms, and a range between 7 to 10 kilometers. The speed of this missile is 830 km per hour. This missile has been developed by Defense Research and Development Organization, and as mentioned before, it can be launched from a helicopter, but this particular flight test was done using a static launcher positioned at the integrated test range under simulated conditions. Every country performs missile tests to make sure they are well prepared for any type of threats from other countries. And it also helps them to rehearse operational readiness of the country. Missile tests give each country to ensure their weapons are well versed to counter any type of strike and any type of threats. Also, these type of missile tests will ensure the armed forces can decide whether any weapons or missiles needs a replacement or any type of upgrades. Even during November 2019, we saw India test firing many missiles, which included the K4 ballistic missiles, the BrahMos cruise missile, the Agni series missile, and the Prithvi short-range ballistic missiles. So that was a quick update on the recent test fire of indigenous missile Dhruvastra by the Indian Defence Sources. I'll upload another video with a new defense or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it. And also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.